Welcome to this tutorial on how to install and import a Phantom wallet. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used to store and manage Solana and other cryptocurrencies. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing and importing a Phantom wallet. First, you need to install the Phantom Wallet browser extension. You can do this by going to the Phantom Wallet website and clicking on the download link. The extension is available for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers. Once you have downloaded the extension, follow the prompts to install it on your browser. After installing the extension, you will need to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to Phantom Wallet, click on the Create a New Wallet option and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. This will include creating a password and backing up your seed phrase. If you already have a Phantom wallet, you can import it by clicking on the Import Wallet option. You will need to enter your seed phrase and password to restore your wallet. Make sure to keep your seed phrase and password safe and secure, as they are the keys to accessing your cryptocurrency. Once you have installed and imported your Phantom wallet, you can start using it to send, receive, and store your cryptocurrencies. The wallet interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, with clear options for sending and receiving funds. Best practices for using Phantom Wallet include always keeping your seed phrase and password safe and secure, and never sharing them with anyone. You should also make sure to back up your wallet regularly, in case your device is lost or stolen. In conclusion, installing and importing a Phantom wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start using Phantom Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies and take control of your digital assets. Remember to always keep your wallet and cryptocurrency safe and secure, and enjoy the benefits of using Phantom Wallet.